Hi everyone in cyber world, it's Poor Man once again with another video for you. But before we start, you've probably noticed I haven't made a video in a couple weeks. It just so happens that I had to spend a couple weeks visiting the greatest man that I know in my life, greatest man ever, my father. So I got to spend some time with him. Dad, I love you. I'm glad you're feeling better. With that said, let's get on with the video. Today is, rather than a project itself, I felt the need to talk to you about safety. As you know, I'm not really a professional in all the projects that I work on, just some handyman that kind of likes to do things around the house. But anyhow, in some of the videos I've talked about make sure you use your safety equipment, and I just want to give a real brief explanation to show you. First of all, I've seen several YouTubers who've started using, or who've used spray guns to spray paint walls, projects, and so on and so forth. And time after time, I see several of them that may or may not use an eye mask or eye protection or no respirator whatsoever. Okay, so I've as you've probably seen me do on my videos, I'm always using a respirator for sanding and for painting. And sometimes it's hard to tell what happens with the sawdust, because it just doesn't show up as well. But when it comes down to spray painting, here's what I want to show you. So this is a filter that gets put into one of the respirators. This is what it looks like. I've recently painted our Murphy beds. One bed I painted red, and the other one I did blue. 2 sessions of painting, and this is what it looks like when you're done. Now think about this, okay? This filter stopped that from going into your lungs. Without a respirator, all of this goes inside your lungs. So please, please, please use a respirator when spray painting. And also for wood. What I have learned, did some research to find out if it was true or not, and it turns out that the medical community has determined that sawdust can be cancer causing. So it is definitely something you want to prevent from happening. So you don't want your lungs looking like this. You want it to look more like this. Okay, that's all I have. Sorry for preaching. We'll talk to you later. Poor Man out.